With over a decade of experience implementing vision systems, Relimetrics helps you harness the power of AI to accelerate inspections, eliminate errors and ensure consistent quality, at scale and low cost. In additive manufacturing, quality is everything. But inspecting 3D printed polymer parts during the process has always been a challenge, until now. A new collaboration is delivering real-time, AI-powered quality control using optical coherence tomography, bringing visibility inside the print, layer by layer. To make this possible, Fraunhofer IKTS adapts and integrates state-of-the-art µCT sensors capable of capturing high-resolution 3D imaging during fused filament fabrication. This technology delivers precise cross-sectional data in real time, without halting the 3D printing process. This collaboration, made possible with support from the ZIM, marks a significant step forward in enabling real-time, non-destructive quality control in additive manufacturing. Optical coherence tomography enables visualization along the strand, detecting cracks, curling, delamination, and pinholes with high precision. Viewing perpendicular to the strand, µCT identifies pores, diamond-shaped voids, and weak interlayer bonding. Reference analysis using µCT shows that µCT can achieve comparable performance to µCT in resolution and defect detection, with the added benefits of faster acquisition, lower cost, and seamless integration into inline inspections. Relimetrics and Dresden University bring AI expertise, developing deep learning models that identify defects and anomalies directly from µCT volumes, enabling instant decision-making during the build process. All of this comes together through Relimetrics ReliVision platform, which makes these powerful AI models usable by anyone, no coding or data science background required. Users can deploy and maintain AI models to detect internal defects in real time, before a print is finished. PartstoGo, one of Europe's leading 3D printing service providers, is now deploying the full solution, sensor, AI, and software, on the shop floor.
We at PartstoGo have been testing and using AI and OTC sensor technology to inspect a number of 3D polymer FFF and FDM printed parts in real time, without stopping the printing process. Having the capability to look inside each print layer by layer enables us to constantly spot defects and fix problems as they happen, enabling us to have faster inspection, zero errors, consistent high-quality parts at lower cost. For customers, this means top reliable quality parts delivered at scale and the most efficient way possible.
4 partners. 1 integrated solution. Delivering non-destructive, intelligent quality assurance for polymer 3D printing. Live, layer by layer. Fraunhofer IKTS. Dresden University. Relimetrics. PartstoGo. Revolutionizing quality in additive manufacturing, together. Relimetrics, AI you own. Trusted by leaders in high-precision, high-variation manufacturing. Get started with AI-powered quality assurance today.